Now, question 4 is a little bit more trickier because you need to actually understand the context of the question. Read it all, and then I always like to go to the end and figure out what I'm trying to find. How many left-handed students attend the school? Okay, so my X is going to be left-handed students, like the total amount. All right, so let me write total. Let's go back and read the question. So a school has 200 students. Okay, cool. So, 200 total. 1/3 of the left-handed students have blue eyes. Okay, so left-handed students can be written as X. So let me see if I can rewrite that somehow. So 1/3 of means times X of the left-handed students have blue eyes. So 1/3 of X is blue eyes. Okay, cool, easy enough. And then 1/4 of the right-handed students. Now, read how it's right-handed, not left-handed anymore. We know the symbol for left-handed, but how do I know right-handed? How could I write right-handed? Now, we don't want to use a different symbol. Remember, we always want to use in terms of X. So have a think about it. There's 200 people in total. You're either going to be right-handed or left-handed. If X amount of people is left-handed, well, right-handed people would be pretty straightforward. Is just a total amount, take the left-handed amount. So that is your right-handed people. So let's read that again. 1/4 of the right-handed people. So 1/4, that's 1/4 of, so times. Right-handed students is this, so I'm just going to copy that down. 200 take X is blue eyes again. Okay. Blue eyes that are right-handed. Cool. These are blue eyes that are left-handed. What do you reckon will happen if I add all the blues together? Blue eyes over here, blue eyes over here. How many should it equal? Well, 52 students have blue eyes in total. So all I have to do is create an equation and add them together. So 1/3 of X. No, this is the blue eyes left-handed and blue eyes right-handed. Add them together. 1/4 of 200 take X. They add up to 52. So this is left-handed, this is right-handed. So add them together, you get 52 blue eyes. So let's see if we can figure it out. This I can write as simple as X over 3. This I'm going to expand the bracket, so I get plus 200 over 4, which you can figure it out, I think it's 50. And then I have 1/4 times minus X, so that is minus X over 4 equals 52. Now, you can use your calculator to figure this out. I'm going to move 50 first, so take 50 from both sides first. Then I get X over 3, take X over 4 equals 52, take 50, so 2. Almost there. Now I need to make sure I combine these two fractions before I can use something called cross multiplication, which you're familiar with, hopefully. If not, I'm pretty sure I've attached some videos on the other slides. Now, easiest way to do it, you can use your calculator and, calc 1/3, take 1/4, getting rid of the x's. Or you can do it manually. I'll show you how to do it manually, so just bear with me. But if you want to use a calculator, that's fine too. So basically, find common denominator. So the bottom number, denominator. 3 and 4 currently needs to go to the same denominator, but we want to make the lowest one. So what numbers can you times 3 and 4 to get to the same number? So easiest way is finding factors. 3, 9, 12, 18, blah, blah, blah. 4, 8, 12. So as you can see, both of them have 12. So I can change 1 over 3 as 12 over something because I times 4, and then because I times 4 on the bottom, I go to times 4 to the top, and I get a 4. Now, with this one, I'll do it over here, minus 1 over 4, so I can change it to a base of 12, so denominator of 12, by timesing 3, so I times the 3, so I get minus 3, right, because there's a minus here. So if I write that in, a simple row, I get, let me write over here, sorry for being messy, but hope you're following. I get, 4 over 12x take 3 over 12x equals 2. All I have to do is look at these numbers, do 4, look at the numerators, 4, take 3, so I get 1, and the denominator stays the same, so it's 12, your x, and then 2. How do I get rid of a divide 12? Well, you times 12 simply. So, therefore, my x, oh, that's a bad therefore, is 2 times 12, which is 24. So 24 students are left-handed. Now what you can do is substitute it in to see if you can figure it out. Yeah, so if you substitute it back into this equation, so x equals 24, back into this equation, it should work out. I'm not going to try that now, but hopefully that's the right answer.